I'm in the workshop working on a 2004 Porsche Cayenne S 4.5 non-turbo. Come over here. Today I'm using the X431 Pro 3s Plus today. I've already run a pre-scan report on this. I'm going to hit diagnostic history since I've already been in here and done some previous diagnosis with this tool. Then I'm going to hit quick access. I'll wait for it to load. The issue with this car is the air conditioning is not blowing cold, so the customer brought it to me for me to look into it. So if we go to system selection, we're not going to run a full health check on it. We're going to go into air conditioning, and this tool loads up pretty fast, and I'm very impressed with this tool. You actually have a lot of places that you can go in. It has actuator tests, module information, special functions, read fault code, data stream. So right now at the current time, we're going to go into read data stream. And so you have all of these data streams just for air conditioning that you can look at, and it will show you the information that you need. Now the problem with this was that it had a bad pressure sensor. I was able to determine that right from the tool, right from the driver's seat. It also has a computer module that controls that AC. And as you see here, it has terminal 58, terminal 15. In this Porsche, the computer lives underneath the wiper cowl, and it's very, very hard to get to. With this LAUNCH 431, I was able to determine what voltages were at what pins, and it made the job that much easier. I was able to fully diagnose it from the driver's seat. And then at that time, I was able to tear it apart, put the new parts into it, and it made it a lot easier rather than just have to tearing it apart and then finding out that may not have been my problem. I'd highly recommend this tool. It's a very inexpensive tool. This tool is cost less than a lot of cell phones, and it could save you a lot of money, and it can make you a lot of money. Thanks for checking out my video and my Porsche Cayenne. Have a good day.